Welcome to Math Tips and Solutions. Today I am going to do Class 9, Chapter 15, Exercise 15.1. First question is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. She plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So in this question, it is given that she hits the boundary 6 times and the total number of balls is 30. Out of 30 balls, she hits 6 times. We have to find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So we know the formula for finding the probability. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is, the experimental probability is finding by dividing the number of trials in which the event has happened by the total number of trials. So here we have to find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. In the question it is given that boundary she hits. How many times she hits the boundary? She hits 6 times. So 6 times she hits the boundary. Now total balls she plays is 30. Out of 30 balls she hits 6 balls. Now we have to find out boundary she did not hit. How we can find this? We have to minus this 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6 is 24 balls. So 24 balls she did not hit the boundary. That is our favorable outcome. This is our favorable outcome. And this is the total number of outcome. Total number. Now probability she did not hit the boundary is number of balls she did not hit a boundary by total number of balls played. That is 24 by 30. We can cancel this with 6. 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. So the probability is 4 by 5. Now let's see question number 2. 1,500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Here the number of girls in a family and number of families are given. The data is given like this. 475 families having 2 girls. 814 is having 1 girl. 211 is having no girls in their family. And total number of families is 1,500. We have to find the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls, 1 girl and no girl. Also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. So first, for the first one, probability for finding 2 girls, favorable outcome for families with 2 girls is 475. And total number of families, we know that it is 1,500. This is a direct one, we can do it. Probability is number of favorable outcome by total number of outcomes. That is 475 by 1,500. Here you can cancel with 5. So we will get this one 95 by 300. Again we can cancel it with 5. So this will come 19 by 60. Number 2, favorable outcome for families with 1 girl is 814. So probability is 814 by 1,500. We can cancel it with 2. Then it will come 407 by 750. We cannot cancel it anymore. So this is the probability. For the third one, favorable outcome for families with no girl. That is 211. And probability is 211 by 1,500. This one we cannot cancel. So probability is 211 by 1,500. Now we are going to check whether the sum of the probability is 1 or not. So we can add all the probabilities. The first one is 475 by 1,500 plus next one is 814 by 1,500 plus 211 by 1,500. Now we can add the numerators. Denominators are same. 475, 814, 211. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 5, 13, 14, 15. By 1500, which is equal to 1. So, yes, the sum of the probabilities is 1. Sum of the probabilities is 1.